welcome to Kamare's Crazy Creations. So if you guys watched my video on the 26th of December, you would see that I've done a Christmas and stocking clue. And in there, one of the presents I got was this glow-in-the-dark slime science lab. And it includes one green slime pack, one blue slime pack, 2 storage containers, 1 wood stir stick, 1 adventure guide and 1 activity booklet. So this is what it looks like on the front, and this is what the slide is supposed to turn out like. So hopefully it turns out like that.
So it says that 2 different colours, and we're going to do the green one today. So here's the storage container. Here's the instructions. There are a few booklets in here. Gift card and activity book. Here's our wooden star stick.
And here is our slime pack. So we're going to get out the instructions because I can't do it without the instructions. Okay, so it says that we need a cup of warm water, and I have a cup of warm water here, and it says you need a mixing bowl. I just have one here. So the first step
is to add your cup of warm water into the bowl. So we're going to carefully pour
just about.
Then it says to open up your cup of slime and slowly add in your slime powder until it gets the first part gets slimy. So we're going to open up our slime pack. Open up that now.
Tip, use warm water or will not turn out as slime. So that's just a tip. Always use warm water. Okay, we're going to carry on mixing this until it's not lumpy or has any lumps in it. Okay, this looks pretty mixed. Doesn't have any lumps in it. It's super stretchy. So now we're going to see if this is glow in the dark. Guys, this is definitely glow in the dark. I know it doesn't look too glow in the dark on camera because it's really dark in here, and with the camera light off you can't see anything, so you have to turn the camera light on. But I can definitely tell you, I can assure you that this is glow in the dark. When I've turned the camera lights off, it is super glow in the dark.
Camera's rolling.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share, and I have to say that this is a definite DIY. I would definitely recommend this. It's super squishy. It does rip apart a bit, but overall it's really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll try it out.